Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a USA PayPal account. So first of all, what you have to do is open this website called paypal.com/US. So you have to make sure to type in /US after paypal.com to open the US version of PayPal, and then simply click on sign up. Now it will ask you two options: personal account or business account. Now it's up to you whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. So if you want to create a personal account for yourself, then select personal and click on get started. Now, in this section, it will ask you for your email address. So what you have to do is simply type in your email address, your personal email address, and click on next. Now, in this case, it will ask you for your phone number. Now, what you have to do if it asks for your phone number, but if you're not living in the US right now, then what you have to do is simply open a new tab. On the new tab, you have to open a website called smsman.com, sms-man.com. So once this website has been loaded, you can also take a screenshot and check the spelling. Now once this website has been loaded, you have to sign in with your account. Now once you have created and signed in with your account, select the service in the first step and you have to search for PayPal. Select the service of PayPal, and in the country section you have to select the country, which is USA. So the service is PayPal and the country is USA. So what I will do, I will simply click on buy SMS. So it needs more funds. Please charge your balance. So what you have to do is simply top up your balance. So click on top up your balance. A new tab will open. So many different options. If you live in India, you have Paytm and PhonePe also, and also UPI, Payeer, and there are so many. If you live in China, WeChat, UPI, and you can also buy with crypto or good old-fashioned way, which is your Visa card. The minimum payment amount is $10. So I can buy multiple numbers with $10 and then enter the information, and I will get a USA number and paste that number into this section, in the phone number section, and click on next. Then PayPal may send you a verification or the OTP one-time password, which you will receive on the SMS Man. If you go to the SMS Man, in the history section, you will be able to see your phone number that you have rented. And from here, you will be able to see all the SMS that have been received from PayPal. You have to simply copy the OTP code and enter into the PayPal. And you have to go through some steps, and that's simply how you will be able to create a USA PayPal account. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.